upper tone. So train them G flat, G sharp even. Here's my causation. Pokémon. Verse 2, or part 2 of the verse. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Okay. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. That's your melody. To be. Teach Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon B, gotta catch up, it's you and me. F sharp B. I know it's my destiny. C sharp. Pokemon E flat. Oh minor, it's my best friend. In a world we must defend. And again. Pokemon, gotta catch up, it's you and me. B. I know it's my destiny. C sharp, yeah. E flat minor. Whoa, you're my best friend. In a F sharp, G sharp, E flat. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Ba-da-da-da-da. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. E flat minor. Our courage will pull us through. Pokemon, you teach, yeah. Where are we going? Courage will pull us through. B. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, you gotta catch 'em all. You gotta catch 'em all. And then back to the verse. Every challenge along the way, E flat. Courage I will face. Pokemon to clean. I will battle every day to claim my rightful place. To claim my rightful place. There we go. Come with me, the time is right. There's no better team. I'm in all, we'll win the fight, 'cause it's always been my dream. Pokemon, you gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon, you gotta catch 'em, it's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Pokemon.